If you want to cancel your Zelle free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your subscription is terminated effectively. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, look for the Account Settings or Profile icon, usually located in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account options. Step 3. Find Subscription Information. In the Account Settings menu, locate the section that pertains to subscriptions or billing. This section will provide details about your current subscription status. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Within the Subscription Information section, look for the option to cancel your trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check for a confirmation message or email indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. This step ensures that you will not be charged once the trial period ends. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Zelle free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for further assistance.